Hello everybody, welcome to our video tutorials. In this video we will talk about some simple customization options. As you can see, here we have Woodward logo. With special free tool called Woodward Updater we can make some customization. Here we select EasYview. Enter EasYview IP address and click on Read Device Info. And we can customize Start Screen, logo that appears on the remote HMI homepage and logo on the mini SCADA screen. As an example, we will change the mini SCADA logo. Please choose proper image file. The resolution details are in the application note. After choosing proper file, click on Start Upload. The device will reboot automatically. After successful reboot, we can see our customized logo on the mini SCADA. This is all for now. Please check out our other video tutorials.